Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve Spotify abroad. To know how to fix or solve Spotify abroad, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this list of apps on for you, click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this plus sign updates, then you can click to update your application of Spotify. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.